Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope all of you enjoy your life. Today we are starting from paper number 159. Let's start from question number 1. Who wrote the book Tarikh Sarkashi-e-Banjor? Who wrote the book Tarikh Sarkashi-e-Banjor? The author name is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan write the book Tarikh Sarkashi-e-Banjor. Next one is in which year Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was appointed as member of Imperial Legislature Council. He was appointed as an Imperial Legislature Council in 1878. In 1878. Next one is separate electorate was the main feeder of Minto-Morley reforms. Separate electorate was the main feeder of Minto-Morley reforms. Next one is who wrote the book? Book name is Discovery of India. The writer name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the book Discovery of India. I hope you understand. Next one is name the movement which was started with the cooperation of Hindus and Muslim. Name the movement which was started with the cooperation of Hindus and Muslim. The movement name is Khilafat Movement. The Khilafat Movement was started with the cooperation of Hindu and Muslim. Next one is who was the founder of organization of Arya Samaj? Arya Samaj was founded in 1884 and the founder name is Dayan Saroswati. Dayan Saroswati is the founder of organization of Arya Samaj in 1884. Next one is who was the founder of movement Home Rule League. Home Rule League is founded by Mrs. Anil Basant. Mrs. Anil Basant is the founder of Home Rule League. I hope you understand. Okay, let's move to next one. The next one is in which act subject were divided into two parts, central and provincial. The act is Montagu-Kempsford reforms in 1999. Next one is where communal award was announced. Communal award was announced in 1932. Announced was 1932. Next one is in which year Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School was founded? In 1874. Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School was founded in 1884. Next one is name the person who has been president as well as the prime minister of Pakistan. The person name is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Next one is the Central Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali. The Central Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali. Next one is the author of the book The Making of Pakistan. The Making of Pakistan is written by K.K. Aziz. K.K. Aziz is the author of The Making of Pakistan. Next one is Rowlatt Act was passed in the year 1919. Revolt Act was passed in the year 1919. Next one is what was the original name of Hazrat Lal Shehbaz Qalandar? Hazrat Lal Shehbaz Qalandar, they are buried in Sahwan Sharif and their real name is Hazrat Usman Marwandi. Okay, their real name is Hazrat Usman Marwandi. Next one is who was the first president of Constitutional Assembly? The first Constitutional Assembly, the president of first Constitutional Assembly was Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next one is who held the portfolio of foreign affairs in the first Cabinet of Pakistan? The name is Zafarullah Khan. Who held the portfolio of foreign affairs in the first Cabinet of Pakistan? The person name is Zafarullah Khan. Next one, when All India Muslim League was founded in 1906, one of its written name is that was top promote loyalty towards British government. Muslim League was founded in 1906, 30 December 1906 at Dhaka by Sir, and their first chairman is Sir Aga Khan. And they are founded by the written name was to promote the loyalty towards the British government. Next one is who announced the partition of Bengal into two independent states on 3rd June 1947? Who announced the partition of Bengal into two independent states on 3rd June 1947? The person name is Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten is the last Lord of British government. Next one is who wrote the book of Jinnah of Pakistan? The person name is Stanley Walper. Next one, the Allama Iqbal was chosen as the president of All India Muslim League in 1930. 1930, Allama Iqbal was chosen as the president of All India Muslim League. Next one is 19 February 1946 is associated with that the arrival of Cabinet mission in India. The arrival of Cabinet mission in India in 19 February 1947. Next one is the proposal of Union of India embracing both the British India and the states was provided by the Cabinet mission. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one is the LFO. The LFO was issued by Yahya Khan. Yahya Khan, the LFO was issued by Yahya Khan. Next one is the partition of Bengal was cancelled during the Viceroyalty of Lord Hardinge. Lord Hardinge. The partition of the Bengal was cancelled during the Viceroyalty of Lord Hardinge. Next one is I will tear or I will tear it or burn it or throw it away but never accept it. Who stated this about the Government of India Act 1935? The M.K. Gandhi is Mohandas Jawaharlal Nehru, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is also stated that I will tear it or burn it or throw it away but never accepted about the statement about the Government of India Act 1935. Next one is the Reshmi Rumal movement of 1905 was instituted by Mahmudul Hasan. The Reshmi Rumal movement of 1905 was initiated by Mahmudul Hasan. Next one, Anjuman Humayat Islam was established in the year of 1884. Anjuman Humayat Islam established in the year of 1884 and Congress established in 1885. Next one is Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed in the year 1951. Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed in the year of 1951. Let's move to next one. The next one is the institution of the Federal Ombudsman was created. The institution of Federal Ombudsman was created in the 13th June 1983. 13th June 1983, Federal Ombudsman was created on 13th June 1983. Next one is Gandhi-Irwan Pact was signed on 5th March 1931. Gandhi-Irwan Pact was signed on 5th March 1931. Next one is Liaquat Ali Khan went to America in May 1950. In May 1950, Liaquat Ali Khan went to America in 1950. Next one is the book Myth of Independence. Myth of Independence was written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. They also wrote a book If I Was Assassinated, and they also wrote the book The Great Tragedy. Okay, let's move to next one. The next one is the founder of Islamia College Peshawar. The founder of Islamia College Peshawar was Safzada Abdul Qayyum Khan. Safzada Abdul Qayyum Khan was the founder of Islamia College Peshawar. Let's move to next one. The next one is ECO is the old name of RCD. ECO is the old name of RCD. Qaid-e-Azam visited NWFP. NWFP stands for Northern West Federal Provinces. That was changed its name in 2010 to KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And Qaid-e-Azam visited NWFP in his lifetime in thrice a time. Okay, thrice a time NWFP Pakistan. Qaid-e-Azam visited NWFP. Next one is the anthem Bande Mataram was composed in Bengali, and he is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The Rabindranath Tagore is the first person who received the Nobel Prize in South Asia. Okay, I hope you understand that one. The anthem Bande Mataram was composed in the Bengali. First of all, it's in a Bengali language. Next one, KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa or NWFP got the status of governor province. Got the status of governor province in 1937. KPK or NWFP got the status of governor province in 1937. Also, I told you that the Ppsc is started from 1937. It's also asked in some papers in Ppsc. Next one, the Frazi movement was founded by Haji Sharaitullah. The Frazi movement was founded by Haji Sharaitullah. Next one, All India Muslim Students Federation was founded at Lahore. All India Muslim Students Federation was founded at Lahore. Next one, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died during the second roundtable conference. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died during the second roundtable conference. He is also buried in Cambridge. Cambridge is a state of UK or I think Europe, and the Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died during the second roundtable conference. The second roundtable conference is held in London in 1931. Three roundtable conference overall, 1930 to 1932. While Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar is died in during a second. The next one is the Sino-Pak boundary agreement was signed in 1963. The Sino-Pak boundary agreement was signed in 1963. Next one is Ojri, OJRI camp. OJRI camp is an ammunition depot. OJRI is an camp of ammunition depot. Next one is which report rejected the demand of separate electorate? Which report rejected the demanded of a separate electorate separate electorate, the report by Nehru report. Nehru report is rejected by the demand of separate electorate. Next one, Muhammad Ali Jinnah was given the title of Qaid-e-Azam in 1938. Next one is, who is the author of book The Last Day of Qaid-e-Azam? By Colonel Ilahi Baksh. Colonel Ilahi Baksh is also a doctor of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in their last days, and they also wrote a book, The Last Days of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next one is, the old regional language of Pakistan is Sindh. The old regional language of Pakistan is Sindh, and almost 48% of people all over the Pakistan speak Punjabi language, and almost 4% of people speak Balochi language. Next one is, under which constitution bicameral was introduced in Pakistan? It is introduced in Pakistan in 1973 constitution. Bicameral was introduced in Pakistan in 1973, and Islam is a state religion of Pakistan. It is declared in 1973. Also, I told you that the bicameral is the constitution of Britannia is also a bicameral constitution. Next one is, when was the first SARC conference held? First SARC conference held in 1985. First SARC conference held in 1985. Next one, which of the European nations came first in South Asia? Portuguese European nation came first into South Asia. Portuguese, remember it. Next one is, the War of Independence 1857. It started from Meerut. The War of Independence 1857 started from Meerut. Next one is, which party system prevails in Pakistan? Which party system prevails in Pakistan? The party system is a multi-party system. Okay, the multi-party system is prevail in Pakistan. Next one is, when Pakistan and China signed the Atomic Accord? They signed in 1986. Pakistan and China signed the Atomic Accord in 1986. Next one, Pakistan People Party was founded in 1967. December 1967, the Pakistan People Party was founded by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one is, write the name of person who has been the Governor General and as well as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. The person name is Khaja Nazimuddin. Khaja Nazimuddin is the second Prime Minister of Pakistan after the assassination of Liaquat Ali Khan. Okay, he was the only person who has been a Governor General and as well as Prime Minister of Pakistan. While on the other hand, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is the only person who served as the President and also a Prime Minister of Pakistan. While in 1955, the authority of Governor General is almost abolished. Okay, next one is, the first Chief Justice of Pakistan was Abdul Rashid. First Chief Justice of Pakistan, the person name is Abdul Rashid. Next one is, who started the Saudi movement? Okay, who started the Saudi movement? The person, the name is Tilak. Who started the Saudi movement? The person name is Tilak. Next one is, famous Varda scheme. Famous Varda scheme was about education. Okay, famous Varda scheme was about education. I hope you understand. Next one is, the first British Governor General of India was Warren Hastings. The first Governor General of India was Warren Hastings. Next one is, Sharif report highlighted the atrocities of Congress ministries. The Sharif report highlighted the atrocities of Congress ministries. Next one is, during the Tashkent Agreement, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. He is elected in the age of 30, and during the Tashkent Agreement, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, the person name is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Next one is, the inaugural session of Pakistan First Constituent Assembly was chaired by J.N. Mandal. J.N. Mandal is the first person who inaugurated session of Pakistan First Constituent Assembly. The next one is, in September 1958, Deputy Speaker was killed in the Provisional Assembly of Bengal. Our Deputy Speaker was killed in 1958, September 1958 during the Assembly of Provisional Assembly of Bengal. Next one is, which are the aligned years in Pakistan foreign policy? Pakistan's foreign policy, the aligned years are 1954 to 1962. 1954 to 1962 are the aligned years in Pakistan foreign policy. Next one is, the Hansi tribe is settled. Hansi tribe is settled in Western Balochistan. Hansi tribe is settled in Western Balochistan. Next one is the principal mineral produced in Pakistan is coal. The principal mineral produced in Pakistan is coal. Next one is which is the second important gas reserve in Pakistan. The name is Murree, and the first reservoir of gas in Pakistan is Sui gas. The Sui gas is established at the Murree in 1952. Sorry, not Sui gas is established in Sui in 1952. Next one is where the largest deposit of iron are found in Pakistan. The largest deposits of iron are found in Pakistan at Kala Bagh. The largest deposits of iron are found in Pakistan, Kala Bagh. Next one is which is the main source of gypsum in Pakistan. It is in a Kyoda mines. The main source of gypsum in Pakistan is Kyoda mines. Next one is give use of zinc and boron was improved the rice yield. Use of zinc and boron can improve the yield of rice. Okay, next one is which sector of country is the largest consumer of soil and oil products. Which sector of country is the largest consumer of soil and oil products? The name is transport. Okay, the sector of transport is the largest sector who consume of soil and oil products. Next one is which sector is the largest consumer of the Sui gas in Pakistan? The name is power sector. Okay, the power sector is the largest sector who consume the Sui gas in Pakistan, largest amount. Next one is which one is the largest consumer of electricity in Pakistan? That is domestic, मतलब यानी घरेलू. Which one is the largest consumer of electricity in Pakistan? That is a domestic, for domestic use. Next one, which is the oldest cantonment of Pakistan? That is a Kohat. The oldest cantonment of Pakistan is Kohat. Next one is the Siachen Glacier is located in Baltistan. Siachen Glacier is located in Baltistan. Next one, the Rachna Doab is situated between the river of Ravi and Chenab. The Rachna Doab is situated between the rivers of Ravi and Chenab. Next one is which Saudi rulers visited Pakistan in 1966? The name is Shah Abdullah. Shah Abdullah visited Pakistan in 1966. Next one, when Shimla Accord was signed between India and Pakistan. When Shimla Accord was signed between Pakistan and India in 1972, and from Pakistan is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and from India it's Indira Gandhi. I hope you understand. Let's move to next one. Next one is All India Muslim League observed the Direct Action Day at 16 August 1946. 16 August 1946. All India Muslim League observed the Direct Action Day on 16 August 1946. Next one is under the Indus Basin Treaty that was held by World Bank in 1960. Pakistan has the right to use exclusively of water of Chenab, Jhelum and Indus, Darya Sindh, Darya Chenab and Darya Jhelum. Next one, who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case? The name is Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Faiz Ahmed Faiz was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case. Next one, from which country Pakistan purchased Gwadar? We purchased Gwadar from Muscat or Oman in 1958. Next one is when Abu Dash Maududi was awarded death punishment by military court on Qadiani issue. They were punished the death at May 1953 by military court on Qadiani issue. Okay, May 1953. Next one is Pir Sahab Manki Sharif founded the following party in September 1949. The party name is Awami Muslim League. Pir Sahab Manki Sharif founded the following party in September 1949. The party name is Awami Muslim League. Next one is who was the first chief executive of Pakistan? The person name is Pervez Musharraf. Okay, the Pervez Musharraf was the first chief